Officer, why did you arrest your wife?
Huh? Why did I arrest my wife?
Last night she was snoring. Now please open my handcuff.
What?
Oh, man! No way!
That bird got you, Sarge.
You gotta be kidding me.
I'm not kidding. Key, please.
Why do you keep calling me stepdad in front of the recruits?
Because your wife keeps calling me sweetheart.
That's a lie.
Then why did she pack me lunch?
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Steady recorded heartbeat sound. He memorized sound effects from YouTube.
You mean he's faking?
I prefer performing.
Objection. Objection. Objection.
Oh,
Counselor, you can't object to your own question.
Objection.
State your name.
Detective Beaky, truth specialist.
Do you swear to tell the truth?
Always do, unlike the officer.
Objection.
Sustained.
That's my line.
Not anymore.
Defendant, state your plea.
Not guilty. Cookie was abandoned property.
It was on my desk.
Unattended equals unclaimed.
He's not wrong. Ha!
You again?
Justice needs my voice.
Please don't object to everything.
I object to your tone.
Oh boy.
Open wide.
You first.
He's scared of drills.
I'm not scared. I'm respectfully avoiding pain.
It's just a cleaning.
Then clean my criminal record. Ha.
Do not touch the crumb trail.
I'm protecting it inside me.
Step away from the evidence.
In Beaky's world, chain of custody equals chain of snacks.
I'm short, not crossing.
You contaminated the scene.
I seasoned it. Case ruined. Closed.
You can't be in here.
I'm investigating if he's faking.
He watches crime dramas.
CSI, Cockatoo, Scene Investigation.
Rest in peace. Also, rest in snacks.
He's just like that.
I'm tired of your excuses.
I'm trying my best.
His best has low success rates. At least someone's honest.
That's me, full-time truth department.
Everything all right, sir?
Perfect.
The steak's overcooked, the romance undercooked.
Check, please.
Someone poisoned the soup.
Any suspects?
The chef. Excuse me?
Too much salt. That's attempted assault.
He's not wrong.
Where's the evidence sample?
Define missing.
Gone.
Relocated. To my stomach. I was hungry for justice.
Members of the jury remain serious.
Define serious.
Silence.
Is that legally binding?
We're banned, aren't we?
No. We're trending. Chuckles and muffled laughter.
You drank my coffee again.
I was investigating the taste.
That's not evidence.
It's motive, survival.
You can't keep stealing my caffeine.
Call it shared resources.
You drank my coffee again?
I was investigating the taste.
That's not evidence.
It's motive, survival.
You can't keep stealing my caffeine.
Call it shared resources.
Who speaks more?
He does.
I'm more expressive.
Do you love him?
As a project, yes.
We're live in 3, 2,
I'm up.
focus. So, who leads investigations?
Depends who's awake.
It's our anniversary. I got her jewelry.
I got her honesty.
That's not a gift.
Then why does it hurt?
Stay quiet, we're undercover.
Copy that, undercover.
What?
He's a pet. Pet with a purpose.
Stay quiet, we're undercover.
Copy that, undercover. What? He's a pet. Pet with a purpose.
When did the symptoms start?
Since he became my partner.
You're not the patient.
You two argue like a married couple.
We're divorced, emotionally.
Do you swear to tell the truth?
Define truth.
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
He's mocking the process!
I'm improving it.
You never listen to me.
I do!
He doesn't. I tried for 3 years.
See?
Beaky, please!
At least I remember anniversaries.
Do you?
No.
Don't touch anything.
Even this shiny thing?
Yes.
Oops. Evidence deleted.
It's a gum wrapper.
Then justice is minty fresh.
Someone ate my donut.
I saw nothing. Except crumbs.
You!
Innocent until proven tasty.
You've got sugar on your beak.
That's a hate crime against carbs.
You never listen to me.
I do!
He doesn't. I tried for 3 years.
See? Beaky, please.
At least I remember anniversaries.
Do you?
No.
He's showing strange symptoms.
Like what?
Mood swings, mimicking voices.
That's called personality, Doc.
Fine.
You brought a parrot to the ER.
Emotional support or emotional damage? Depends on the day.
Cause of death looks like anaphylaxis.
From a muffin?
From hubris over nutmeg.
Nutmeg doesn't.
It does emotionally. Can you be serious?
I am. Someone baked carelessly. Also, I call the top with extra frosting.
Daily.
Hourly. Minutely.
What do you need from each other?
Less sabotage.
More honesty. And crackers.
We can do one of those.
Forgive me. I've lost my patience. Forgive me, I ate his donut.
Beaky?
Confession is good for the soul and alibis. I'm not mad. I know. You're tired. Let's go home. Possible DNA.
Let's come.
Still counts.
Please bag it.
Speak now or stick forever.
We're never solving this, are we?
We solved hunger.
Got a case?
Anniversary note.
Need help? I'm fluent in romance.
Hard pass.
To my partner in life, hey!
Tell her you're scared sometimes. That you try.
You promised a night off.
I had to file reports.
He watched cat videos. Research.
Beaky!
Anything else?
He said,
I'll be quick.
then alphabetized his snacks.
For efficiency.
Couch.
Keep them warm.
With truths.
About your salad.
We should not be here.
Excess dressing. Evidence of guilt.
Security.
I object. With vinaigrette.
Sir, we're leaving.
Leave the fork.
Why are you here?
Attitude issues.
He means his.
Do you feel heard?
Constantly. By millions. He struggles. That's not... It's okay to be the sidekick. Breakthrough.
Who discovered gravity?
Newton.
Wrong. I did when I fell off my perch.
Huh. Technically correct?
Order in the court.
I'd prefer takeout.
Beaky, please.
Name for the record?
Beaky, occupation professional truth speaker.
Do you swear to tell the truth?
I'm physically incapable of the opposite. Ask him.
I love working with you.
Lie.
Sustained. He can't object. He's a witness.
I'm multi-talented.
Please don't touch anything.
We found crumbs on the victim. Confirmed buttery.
That's evidence.
It was evidence. Now it's a clue inside me. Chain of custody?
Chain of crustody. We'll log that as contamination.
Or breakfast.
Try to guess the secret ingredient. Too much salt.
An ego.
Be respectful.
It's truffle.
Truffle. Tastes like regret.
Reason for visit?
Routine exam.
Beaky, he needs a booster shot of humility.
I'll mark that down. Are you eligible?
Taxed emotionally?
Yes.
He's a bird.
He's more enthusiastic than most people I meet. Civic curiosity?
Observe quietly.
Copy. Quietly observing how to open snack drawers.
Focus.
He focuses on carbs.
Clear.
Not the vending machine.
Okay, Beaky, no laughing.
Fine.
Why did the chicken cross?
To file a noise complaint against you.
That's not funny.
Your face says otherwise. That's a fine for break.
Quick test capital of France.
Paris.
Wrong. It's Baguette City, according to my sources.
That's not...
Beaky 1, Officer 0.
He's smarter than Google.
Reason for visit?
Routine exam.
Routine ego check. Beaky, he needs a booster shot of humility.
Severe sarcasm.
Please be discreet.
Welcome to chaos.
We're leaving.
No.
Grand reclosing in 5 minutes.
20 push-ups. Easy.
1 for me equals 10 for you.
Birds don't even have arms.
Neither do excuses.
That's it. We're racing.
Done.
That doesn't count.
It does when you're losing. Next time, burpees.
I'll go first.
Name.
Officer Max.
Do you like your job?
Of course.
Short. Do you like me?
Yes.
Long. Case closed.
Any closing words?
He's chaos, but he's ours.
And he's my partner.
Case dismissed. Get lunch.
We won! Also, tacos!
Order in the court.
Short answers.
Yes.
No jokes.
Okay.
No snacks.
I resign.
Boundaries were crossed.
Objection.
No talking.
That's still talking.
Loopholes loved. Silent, but not really.
No visitors.
I'm on the team.
No, you're not.
Beaky applies for surgery via confidence.
Out.
Fine. I'll supervise from cafeteria.
No questions about Snackgate.
Is Snackgate real?
Allegedly delicious.
Never put Beaky near microphones.
End of briefing.
Start of catering.
Name?
Beaky. Biased. Snacks.
He can't serve.
He's the only one early.
The justice system is desperate.
Guilty.
Hungry.
Same. Verdict, lunch first.
He's fine. Just stress.
From work?
From you.
That's rude.
That's accurate.
Why are you here? I told you I live alone.
We know you were hiding
Please, the only thing I'm hiding is your girlfriend's DM list.
Where were you last night?
At your sister's house.
Hey, officer! You chasing donuts or bad guys today? Just kidding. Maybe.
That bird just...
Sir, where are you flying in from?
From your wife's apartment.
Watch your mouth, bird.
Your wife should have watched her mouth before kissing the yoga instructor.
What?
Oh, yeah. Downward dog isn't the only position he's teaching her.
Oh, my.
No way. Oh, man.
Why are you in the U.S.?
To teach you manners, officer.
You mocking me?
No. I'm educating you. Mocking would require effort.